So welcome back, guys. So the last thing we stop here, right? So right now here, we want to change this icon here. We want to make different, right? Right. You also want to change those pictures, right? We make them max. You also want to add heading here, some text here. Perfect. So in order to do that, we need what? We need paragraph. Where we can put the paragraph after h2 here, right? Yes, paragraph inside text. We need class inside the paragraph. Lead dash text dash center dash text wide text to be wide, right? Text to be wide, text to be wide. Perfect. Text to be wide. Margin bottom dash 5. Perfect. So right now here, we want to add some text here. Our instructor, yes, our instructors all all have good all have 10 years, over 3 years of experience, no, of working, maybe of experience. Yes, of experience, working as a web developer. Yes, as a web developer in the in industrial work. Industrious. Let's save. Wow. I like it, guys. So right now I like this one. So perfect. So right now here, what else also we want to do here? Oh my gosh. So we miss the last picture here. Let's save. Okay, the second one here, it's instead of this one here. Let's save here. Right. It's number 2 here. Good. So guys, miss something here. This column, let's delete to see. So perfect here. Let's save. Good. So as I said, we want to change all those here, right? Want to change their name, their icon, right? Instead of number 1 man, right? John Smith. That's perfect. Number 2 could be women. Woman picture could be 12 maybe. Let's save. Wow, I like it. Perfect. Her name could be Sarah or Anna. Anna Smith. Good. All right. So number 3 could be man. So his picture could be number 1. Let's perhaps by one. Oh, I like this picture. Right. So the last one else, his name could be uh, uh, James. Let's ask James. James Stone. James Stone. Let's save. Okay, that's perfect. The last one here could be uh, the last one. We want to meet a girl. Girl could be 20. Maybe 20. Here, instead of a woman, woman. Let's save. Oh my gosh, that's not picture there. Woman. Let's save. Yeah, it's right. Right. Okay. So, guys, also want to change her name. Her name could be maybe Sarah. Okay, Sarah. Sarah William. Perfect. So let's save. Okay. So, guys, we done here. So the time we need to change this icon here. All right. So to do that, I want to do them in the first time. No, maybe step by step, guys. Instead of Facebook here, mm, YouTube, maybe your YouTube, and this one here to be Twitter, to Twitter. Let's save. Then we can copy them. All right, that sounds good. Let's save. Okay, got that. So right now, just all I need to do is just copy them, and paste them on other. Right, paste. Good, let's save. So here we are, guys. We did. So right now here, the things I want to add here, I want to add some text here, right? So to do that here is go top here after look inside here after h1 not h2 here good our instructors our instructor all have all have over 50 50 years of experience as a web developer in the in this in this August. Let's save. Yeah, here we are, guys. Did so I like it right now, right? So I think, guys, we did a lot of great thing today, right? We done on our structure, and also we done on frequently question, and also the last video we done on those two sections here, right? Both of them include the picture and paragraph and link here, right? And also we done on boxes, newsletter, uh, showcase in here. Okay, let's guy make a responsive on on a small screen. Let's save. Let's see. Wow, I like it, guys. I like it. Let's click here to see our. Wow, sounds good, guys. Perfect, 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 perfect. So I think, guys, I'm gonna stop here. So the next video, we're gonna work on how to add map and also footer, right? That's the last thing we're gonna do on our website here, right? So we've done a lot of important things. I have finished right now here. So the last thing, just we have two things to do. It's map and footer. So don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. See you on next video.